Hi, I'm Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or solve your current problem. Also, in the end of the video, I will give you a personal rune for your success and I will tell you how you can use it. Keep in mind, this is a general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. Now, what this reading is about? This reading is about your heart, about your emotions, about your relationships with the people in your life, around you, with your relatives. So what do you actually want? You want a change, a transformation. You want something to be different. You want something to be better. Now, how can you achieve that? You will be able to achieve that by paying more attention to the social side of your life, to the interactions with other people, to working with other people in groups, perhaps performing some work together, and also applying your intellectual abilities. Now, the rune for you is... The rune for you is Teivas, the rune of discipline, strength, and the rune of the warrior. So if there is some kind of a question regarding relationships, regarding whatever is connected to your heart, and you want a change in that area, some improvement, so the message for you is to focus on interactions with other people. So if you want improvement in your relationships with your close people, with your relatives, you also must focus on your interactions with other people, those maybe your colleagues, your classmates. So by developing your ability to communicate with people, by training and raising your social energy, your social area of your life, you will have a transformation and improvement with your relatives, with your close people, with the area of your heart will improve also. And to do that, you can use the rune Teivas, the rune of the discipline, the rune of self-sacrifice, the rune of willpower. So connecting these two energies together, socialize with people, communicate with people, work together with people, and try to manifest the qualities of a warrior, being self-disciplined, being able to perform sacrifice for the greater good, and also use this rune symbol directly by visualizing it or drawing it on the left side of your body. Thank you for your attention and I wish you the best of luck.